Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an event on Member.buzz using our test page, the Penguin Club. The first thing you want to do is log in as an administrator, and then you will go to the menu bar on the right and select Dashboard. From there, we'll go to Create and then Events. And since this is a new event, I'm going to click Add. From here, you'll just start filling out the details of your event. So first, I will add the name. This is going to be the Penguin Ball. You can add details about your event here. For this particular one, it's going to be held in the Ice Ballroom. I'm just going to add a brief venue description so guests know what they're in store for. And then you can add a location as well. I'm just going to add New York, New York. All right, once you have all those details added, you want to add a start and end date for your event. This particular one will be taking place on February 19th, starting at 7 p.m. And it will go until 11 p.m. that same day. Okay, then we have a couple of other options that you can select here as the event administrator. You can enable comments. I'm going to keep that turned on so guests can get excited and share their thoughts and feelings about the upcoming event. I'm going to turn off the default title, and I'm going to turn on the Enable Guest Checkout. Enable Guest Checkout will allow users that are not members of the Penguin Club space to purchase tickets to this particular event. If you had a private event and you only wanted members to be able to check out, you would turn off Enable Guest Checkout. Next up, we need to send the notification email somewhere. All right, so we've added several details about our upcoming event. Now the fun part, we're going to create kind of a landing page for this event. Okay, next up I'm going to add a slice banner. I like to do this because it takes up the entire width of the screen and also allows you to type text over it, so essentially setting an image in the background. First up, I'm going to go to Layout, then click on Slice Banner here. This is going to open up my images that I've uploaded. So let's just select one. Okay, now that I have my image added, I can go ahead and start adding text. So in order to edit the text, you would just go to the text tab and edit like you normally would. So I'm going to add the title of my event. This is the 2021 Penguin Ball. It's a little hard to read, so we're going to make it bigger and also change the font color. As you can see, the cool thing about the slice banner is as you type and add spaces, more of the image shows. So depending on how much text you have and how much of the image you want to show, you can add more spaces above or below. But I'm going to leave this as is for now. Okay, last thing we need to do is create our tickets so guests and members can purchase tickets to this event. So this first ticket I'm going to create is just going to be called General Admission. I'm not going to add a description, but if you had different categories for tickets, you could simply add a description here to differentiate between some of those. Quantity available, we're keeping this a pretty small event, so I'm just going to limit it to 50 tickets available at $100 a piece. And these will go on sale starting today at 11 p.m. You can also set an end date. So I know what a lot of people like to do is close event or ticket sales the day before. So we'll just do 12 a.m. the day before the actual event. Okay. Once that ticket is created, you just hit create. Now we need to add some fields to our tickets so we know a little bit about our guests that are attending. First, we'll want to know their name. So this first one will just be a free text. And we'll just call it name, and in the description, we'll specify that we want their first name and last. And it will be required. I'm going to add one more field. I'm going to give them an option if they want a gift bag or not. And also make this required. So these two options would be yes or no, but you can add as many options as you want, and it will just force the choice for the user. Okay. So there I have my fields created for my tickets, and I have my ticket type created as well. So I am ready to publish this page and view the event. So once everything has been added, I will click save. I will be brought back to my list of events, the newest one being on the bottom. And in order to view this event on a web page, I'm just going to click view. All right, here's the event that we created. As you can see, it has a title, a slice banner, and an option for to purchase a ticket. Thanks so much for watching this video, and check out some of our other cool videos for navigating our platform.